some quick updates to jump straight into it here. But one new update is tomorrow we are releasing new elements. So all of our elements and new features are all based on user feedback. So really excited for all the individuals over the past few months that have shared, hey, do you all have this? We'd like to add this. These are elements that we're adding that will be available across a variety of different system types. So you can see we have glass break sensors, handicap push buttons, things like that. I won't read through all of them, but you can see them here. What we're really excited about is like a cellular communicator. I get that probably once a week. Individuals asking for cellular communicators as uh, as the security industry is adapting to COVID-related changes, like things like health scan kiosks are becoming more and more prominent. Just a variety of different options we have here. So excited for you all to see these tomorrow. As I mentioned, if you log in through the web, they'll automatically be there on your iPad. You may have to we'll release an update there, but all you have to do through the web is just log in and you'll see these new icons. My slides are a little bit out of order, so apologies for that. But I'll go ahead and jump over to the demo section, and I'll also share one more update that I personally could not be more excited about.
Me too.
So before I go into the full demo, I'll just go ahead and share this update as well. So probably since I've been at System Surveyor, our customers have asked for this, and that is the ability to do multiple bins within the cable path, or the capability to run cable path diagonally. So we are adding that in this release, and this will be available tomorrow. So essentially, I'll do a quick demonstration. And for those of you that aren't aware, within the infrastructure system type, we have a cable path. This is still on our demo site, but it's going to be called a flex cable path. And essentially, you'll have the ability to run it diagonal, as you see here. You can see this node connecting to this projector. I have multiple bins in the line. So multiple bins and then running that cable diagonally, and I'll just go ahead and demonstrate it really quickly. It will come on the canvas just as a straight line. If I want to connect it here, and this is just an example, and I want to run it diagonally across my whole plan, I can do that. And then to add bins in it, it's just a simple, these kinks show up in the cable, and then I can adjust those kinks here. I can extend it down this hallway. Say another kink is in the cable there. I can run it kind of however you want. So I'm really excited about that, just to share it with our users and our customers, just because I know how important it is to accurately run those lines and then get an accurate estimation of the cable length after the fact. So just a little more education if you aren't aware. We can add specific cable to this run, and then I'll go into the regular demonstration. But yeah, I'll go ahead and save that. So within this tab here, you can see there's functional details. I have a total estimated length of 183 feet. I can add cable to this run, so we'll say Cat5. And then at the end of this project, we know how important it is to get that accurate distance based on those the scale I've set. At the end, I can run a report on a total estimated length for all my cabling for that project. So wanted to share that. Feel free to chime in any questions or feedback there.
Got some people saying awesome and yeah.
Love it.